Hi everybody, I'm Mario.
Hi, Mario. Why are you so sad?
I just started my plumbing business and I'm so confused. My brother Luigi told me I have to buy a computer, open up a bank account, and get to ABC. I think you mean ABN, not ABC. There are a number of things to consider when starting and operating your own business. Fortunately, I can help you with most of them. That makes me so happy. So what should I do now? Well, one of my suggestions would be to try and keep your personal and business expenses separate. Open a separate bank account just for the business. So you mean when I buy the spaghetti from Woolies, no use the business money, yeah? That's right. Another thing to consider is to use some sort of cloud based accounting software to help with tracking your business transactions. My wife, Maria, she takes care of the business. She bought a computer from the fruit shop. I think you might mean she has an Apple computer. Apples, the pears, it's all the same, yeah? I would recommend you that you subscribe to one of the more popular online cloud accounting packages. The three big players in the market are Xero, Live Essentials, and QuickBooks Online. All of these are very good, and they all have their advantages and disadvantages. What's this cloud business you'll talk about? Cloud based accounting gives you real time information. That is, for example, if you withdraw or deposit money from your bank account, you will possibly see it in your accounting software very soon after. Cloud based accounting allows you to access your accounts wherever you are in the world. Imagine if you're a gardener and you've just finished a job on site. You could raise an invoice on your mobile, send it immediately to your client, and they could pay you. I love to do the gardening. Every year I grow the big Malacca tomatoes, just like my friend Vasily. Another advantage of cloud accounting is that it makes it very easy to upload photos of bills, etc., from your smartphone and attach them to the transaction that you've just entered. I have the smartphone. I take lots of photos. My dog, Pasquale, is so cute. Another important thing to remember is if you're running a business, you need to keep track of important dates of when you should be paying things like GST, Super, PAYG, and other regular business expenses. My mum, she gave me a calendar from the Pope. I write all the birthdays and the days of the saints. That's great, Maria, but I think you might be better using your Pear computer, your Apple computer, or something similar, as it has a built-in calendar. Something else you should do is keep all your receipts and other paperwork. If you're ever questioned by the ATO, at least you'll have all the evidence of the expense. I don't have this problem too much. A lot of my customers, they like the cash. I be honest, I like the cash too. But sometimes, yes, I have to give the receipt. Hmm. Look, dealing in cash is fine. Many businesses do it, including supermarkets, bottle shops, those sort of things. Having said that, you must always keep the receipt as it's evidence of everything that's transpired between you and your clients or you and your suppliers. And what about this GST? Is this more money for Scott Morrison? Oh, I don't understand. Oh, what is it? GST stands for Goods Services Tax. Basically, it's a tax on goods and services provided. In your case, running a plumbing business, if your business has a GST turnover of $75,000 or more, you'll need to register for GST. The current rate of GST is 10%. That means that if you charge $100 for your services, your customers will be charged $110. The additional $10 is the GST, which needs to be paid to the ATO. And what about this, the BAS I hear? To me, it sounds like some other kind of bull. You're a business registered for GST, you need to lodge a business activity statement, or BAS. Your BAS will help you report and pay your goods and services tax, your pay-as-you-go installments, your pay-as-you-go withholding tax, and other taxes. To me, it sounds like more money for Scott Morrison. Anyway, listen, can I get my cousin Giuseppe to work for me? I promise his mum I'd pay him. If you get Giuseppe to come work for you, you need to determine whether he'll be an employee or a contractor. These two terms are very different and have different responsibilities. Very simply, an employee works in the business and is part of the business. A contractor runs their own business and provides service to a business. I don't know, Sam. All I want to do is do the plumbing and make the money, so maybe one day I can take a holiday to Italy and go see my mama. You understand? I perfectly understand, Mario. Most of my clients just want to do what they do best, whether it be a painter, an electrician, or like yourself, a plumber. They don't want to have to worry about the administration and bookkeeping duties necessary to run their own business. Thank you so much, Sam. You've been very helpful and I'm much happier now. I think the best thing I should do is come see you in your office and we can explain everything to me clearly and easily. Okay, thank you again, Sam. Goodbye and ciao. That's great, Mario. I'm glad if I was able to help you today. By all means, come in and see me at the office at any time. Well, everyone, that's the end of my presentation, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you, and goodbye.